want to show you our little adventure today. Today we came to Peanut Island because the kids are off from school. Let me show you where I kayaked. We put our stuff there, and I'm going to show you where I kayaked from. My husband and my brother brought some of the kids on the jet skis because you could only fit so many on the jet ski. So me and my daughter, we kayaked on my inflatable kayak. It's easy to put away and it's easy to fill up pretty quickly. So this is our kayak. Me and my daughter, we were able to bring bags full of food. There's my husband right there bringing my niece. So I kayaked all the way from over there where you see that white tarp and palm trees. I don't know if you guys can see that. I kayaked all the way over there to here. And they're still bringing people. So there you go. So it's a beautiful day here in Florida. I just wanted to share you guys another side of us. It's not all about plants only. We do have fun with the family and stuff. So yeah, they're my niece and my two daughters, and then my other niece and my husband. We are going to walk around to the other side of the island because they have on the other side, like I would call it beach gravel. It's a bunch of tiny little shells, and it looks like gravel, and it has different colors. So I really like that. I want to collect some of those for my plants. So we're gonna walk around the whole thing over there, and I'll come back when I'm over there. There's some boats out there, some people enjoying the beach over there. There's a lot of areas where you can just camp out and relax. Well, I mean, this is not the camping site. I don't know if you can camp here. There's a specific area on the other side that's actually separated for camping sites. In and out of the water, you can do that. So yeah, it's gonna take us probably 15 minutes. They told me to walk the whole island, so to go around to where I was. Look at that. Pretty cool. I guess water, when the tide is high, it goes through there. Yeah. My other daughter, I asked her if she wanted to walk. She's like, no. What is that? Is that like an old beach house up there? Look at that. Yeah.
Looks like a lighthouse.
Yeah, lighthouse. Look, so I mean, I don't know if they still do it, but in some places people actually live there and take care of it.
Really?
That's pretty cool. Yeah, and they have to.
This place is pretty abandoned.
Yeah, I don't think that it's used anymore. I'm not sure. There's a satellite dish.
The window is broken.
Which one? I didn't see.
Up there, it looks like broken.
Well, I would live there. It's pretty cool. Look at this bridge.
House.
That's pretty.
Probably expensive.
I don't know. Yeah, well, it's in the water, so yeah. It's by the water, so it would be. Look at that. It's in the island. Anything in the island is expensive. It's pretty cool. Still got a little bit ways to go. At least you're wet and you're not hot. I'm all dry and hot. There's a breeze though. Thank God for that. Almost there, I think. I see a few docks. Oh, look, see? I wonder if in the past, if this was like a restaurant or something. Yeah, you can dock your boat and come eat at the restaurant. Oh, look at it from there. So pretty. Let me zoom in. That's pretty. So I think I see people in there. I'm not sure. Let's see what's in there. grill in there, I see. I don't know. Big agave just randomly growing there. Okay, I think we're almost there. The thing that I was telling you that I call like beach gravel. It's like a bunch of tiny shells and a bunch of broken shells, but it's really tiny. So it looks nice when it's nice and dry. So that's it.